This video will show instructions for downloading and listening to audiobooks and magazines using BARD Mobile. BARD Mobile for iOS devices delivers talking books and Braille to your personal iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. In order to use BARD, you will need a user ID and password issued by NLS, the National Library Service for the Blind and Print Disabled. Any NLS patron in good standing may request access to BARD by contacting your network library. Open your device and find the App Store. If you don't see the App Store icon on your device, search your device for the App Store by swiping down on your home screen to prompt the search bar. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your Apple user ID and password to use the App Store. The App Store icon is a blue square with a white letter A. Once you've opened the App Store, type in BARD Mobile to the search bar. The correct application will have a blue square with white letters, white circles, and blue circles. And this application is a free app issued by the Library of Congress. If you have never downloaded BARD Mobile before, you will see a blue button that says Get. Otherwise, you will see a blue cloud. Click whichever button appears on your screen to download BARD Mobile. Once the application has finished downloading, click on the blue Open button to open BARD Mobile. Log into BARD using your login information that you received from NLS. You only need to enter the information once and it will be stored in your device. You won't have to log in each time you use BARD until you change your password or user ID. The first screen you will see when you open BARD for the first time is the BARD Service Agreement. Read through the agreement and scroll down to the bottom. Click Agree once you have read through the agreement and click Start. This is where you enter your login information that was provided for you through NLS. Once you're in the BARD application, fully signed in, there are a few different ways of downloading books. You're going to click the Get Books icon to download new books. This is the second icon from the bottom left, next to the bookshelf icon. This screen will automatically open the first time that you download BARD. We will first try the most popular books option to download books. Tap on Most Popular Books. To view audiobooks, click Audiobooks. Once the screen has loaded, you will see all the titles that are available to download. Scroll down to see all the titles. When you see a title you want to listen to, you can click on the blue circle with the letter I all the way on the right-hand side of your screen. I'm going to select The 19th Christmas by James Patterson. When you click the blue circle with the I, a page will open up with a short summary and information about the title. If this is a book you want to download, you can click the big download button at the bottom of your screen. You will receive a message that says download completed when it finishes downloading. In general, a longer book will take a longer time to download. You may view all your audiobooks by clicking the bookshelf button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. As you can see, the first item listed says audiobooks. To the far right-hand side of my screen, you will see that there is one item. The 19th Christmas by James Patterson, which I just downloaded, is now listed in my bookshelf. To play the book, click on the title. This will open a screen with different options to navigate the book. The green play button in the middle of the screen indicates playing the title. The button to the left of the play button is how you rewind your audiobook. The button to the right of the play button is how you fast forward through the audiobook. Now that you have downloaded your first book, I will show you other ways to download new titles into your bookshelf. Go back to the Get Books icon, second from the bottom left. You will find both audio and braille books and magazines in the recently added to BARD tab, the second from the top. To download an audio magazine, click on the Audio Magazines tab and choose a magazine from the list. I'm going to choose Sports Illustrated Kids. Tap on the title. Screen will open up that says Sports Illustrated Kids, December 2019. Similarly to our previous book, you can click Download at the bottom to add this to your library. To play the magazine you downloaded, tap again on the bookshelf icon at the bottom of your screen. The bookshelf screen will save to the last audiobook that you were viewing within your bookshelf. To see all the books on your bookshelf, go to the top left-hand side of the screen where there's a blue arrow that says Bookshelf. Click on this to view your entire bookshelf. Now you can see under Audio Magazines, one item is listed. Click on Audio Magazines and you will see Sports Illustrated Kids that you have just downloaded. By now, you have probably noticed that to select and download books, you tap Get Books. To read the book that you downloaded, you tap Bookshelf. Now, I will demonstrate how to download books that aren't in the recently added to BARD or most popular book list, which we were downloading from before. You can download a book that you found on the NLS Voyager catalog or NLS Talking Book Topics, which can both be found on the NLS website. This requires a couple more steps than the examples I showed you before. To save time, it is best if you find the book number that starts with the prefix DB, followed by a 5-digit number. For our demonstration, I will use DB 88138, Camino Island by John Grisham. Tap Get Books. Then tap BARD website, the last option. When the main page opens up, go to the Find Books section and look for the search box under Search the Collection. Enter the DB number into the search bar. And tap Go. A new window that says BARD Books containing keyword will open. Since we searched for the books using the book number, our search result will appear under the In the Book Number section, and you will see the title and book number in blue letters. In this case, Camino Island, a novel. As you can see, Camino Island is listed in blue. This is the link that you click on to download the book to your wish list. The screen will open up with more information about the book, and you will see blue lettering towards the bottom of the screen that says Add to my wish list, Camino Island, a novel. Click on this link to add Camino Island to your wish list. A screen will come up indicating that the novel was successfully added to your wish list. What is a wish list? That's where you collect the titles that you want to listen to in the future. Now you can view the book within your wish list. Go back to the Get Books screen using the top left-hand corner and the blue arrow that says Get Books. Now you can see under Get Books, the first option is Wish List. Click on Wish List to see which books you've added. As you can see, the first option listed is Camino Island, a novel. To download that book onto your bookshelf, you can tap the blue circle with an eye. Again, the full information about Camino Island will appear. You can now click the download button to add this to your audiobook bookshelf. When the book has finished downloading, you can tap on Bookshelf and under Audiobooks to view the title. Remember, Bookshelf is the bottom left-hand corner. As I mentioned before, the Bookshelf tab will open to the last book that you were viewing. Go back to your full bookshelf using the top left blue arrow bookshelf. Now you can see under audiobooks, there are 2 items listed. The 19th Christmas by James Patterson, our first download, is still there. And now we also have Camino Island by John Grisham. If you have any questions about using BARD Mobile, please contact your network library. Thanks for listening.